Ever wanted to share your awesome Minecraft world with friends but got tripped up by complex port forwarding? Well, today we're ditching the router headaches and making your server public the easy way. Transitioning from static IP addresses and dreaded port forwarding to simple solutions is key for any Minecraft enthusiast looking to expand their player base. This tutorial will guide you through to fantastic, hassle-free alternatives that will have your friends online in no time. Our first, and arguably simplest, method is using Minecraft Realms. Think of it as your personal, always in Minecraft server, managed directly by Mohan. To get started, open your Minecraft launcher and navigate to the Realms tab. Here, you'll have the option to purchase a realm. It's a subscription service, so there's a small recurring cost, but it takes all the technical know-how out of the equation. Choose your preferred plan based on the number of players you want to support. Once you've subscribed, you'll be prompted to name your realm and choose a world. You can either start a new world or upload an existing one you've been playing on. This process is incredibly straightforward, with guided steps directly within the game. After your realm is set up, the magic happens when you invite your friends. Simply click on the realm, go to the players or members section, and enter their Minecraft usernames. They'll receive an in-game invitation, and with a single click, they'll be joining your world. If Realms isn't quite your speed, or you're looking for more control and customization, then third-party hosting platforms are your next best friend. Websites like Apex Hosting, Bisect Hosting, or Shockbyte offer dedicated Minecraft server hosting. These services do all the heavy lifting for you. Simply choose a hosting plan based on your needs. Consider the amount of RAM and storage required for the number of players and the complexity of your world. After signing up and making a payment, you'll typically be given a unique server IP address. This is the address your friends will use to connect. No router configuration needed. Just share this IP with your friends, and they can connect directly through the multiplayer section in their Minecraft client. So there you have it. Two simple yet effective ways to make your Minecraft server public and share your creations with the world, all without the frustration of port forwarding. Get your friends online and start building your next epic adventure.